Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. For this, first of all, just open up the Instagram application here. So when you are here on the home page, just tap on this profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap on this followers and here search for a name that they are following you or not. Another way is to go to this option, following option, then tap on following. Now here search for your own name to check if they are following you or not. This is obviously very time consuming if you have a lot of followers. So the other way to check who unfollowed you on Instagram is to use a third party application. You just have to download this application, Follow Meter for Instagram. This is available for both Android and iOS users. So this is how the home page will look like. And then you will open this application, just refresh the application and you will get your unfollowers, follow list, all these things in this application. This app can only show your followers from the unfollowers from the day you set up your account. You won't get any data regarding who unfollowed you in the past. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.